Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Vacaville, CA. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a pet-friendly. Located 8.8 miles from Travis Air Force Base, this motel in Vacaville features an outdoor pool. Guest rooms provide cable TV and are individually climate controlled. Free Wi-Fi is offered. Motel 6-Vacaville offers a 24-hour front desk and laundry facilities for added convenience. Free parking is possible on site. Six Flags Marine World is 24.3 miles from the motel. Vacaville Motel 6 is 10 miles from the Dixon May Fairgrounds. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.